Like us on Facebook. Of course, that's facebook.com/Shakey'sVLeague. And of course, all the fans enjoying the action. We've got a report coming in from Ivy Remulla over at courtside.
Thank you, Ian. Of course, the Lady Falcons are in high spirits today as they face Ateneo in Game 1. I was able to talk to Coach Dulce just before the game, and she said that magaan ang pakiramdam ng buong team coming into this game and even in the practices last week. They are focused on blocking and floor defense during training and will be keeping an eye on Cassini and Valdez, the stronger attackers of Ateneo. Meanwhile, the Lady Eagles are equally excited for this match. They have prepared for today physically, mentally, and emotionally. And what's important as well is they have fun and enjoy the game. Back to you guys.
All right, thanks, Ivy. And what I like when I see the crowd here, you get to see young kids, you know, young adults, and even yung mga lolo't lola. They come over. Ang dami ko nakikitang lolo't lola who enjoy watching the games.
Really, kahit anong age, ano?
Yung mga ka-age ni Barry Pasco, nandito din.
Bata pa yun. Batang-bata pa yun.
Batang isip. We're tied at 8. Cassini, that's Valdez. Going up for the same play, gets the same result. Well, Valdez is starting really to make a name for herself here at this level of play, no?
That's right. And, you know, wait till you see her
Oh,
to be
yeah.
a regular part of the team. I mean, right now, she's still undergoing her residency period.
A year or two, you're gonna see this girl just, you know, fly.
Of course, Valdez, a graduate of USC High School.
That's a single block from Cassini, showing us why she is the MVP, not only in her offense, but also, in this instance, the defense that she provides for this squad. She's an excellent blocker. Ang sipag mag-block niyan.
And yung maganda dyan, she has very good timing. Hindi yung talon lang ng talon. She really gets a good read on the attacker.
Oops, that got in. Cassini.
Look at how aggressive Cassini is, taking that one on the second touch. That must, you know, she looks very inspired, and I think it has something to do with her, of course, getting the MVP.
Of course, you've got to be.
Yep.
You've got to be. Good serve from Patnongan. Gets blocked.
Angela having a difficult time in getting her attacks through the blockers.
We've got 3 straight points from Cassini. 2 from the block and 1 from offense. And look at that. 12-8 now is our score. Ateneo with a 4-point lead here in set number 1. This time it goes into the net.
We saw it coming, actually, in the first attempt of Patnongon. Now it's time for Adamson to wake up and realize that, you know, it's not enough for them to just get attacks. They need to get kills.
Valdez picks it up to Ferrer. One of the few rare occasions that Ferrer gets to spike the ball. Nice play there for Pau. Because Nene has been guarded very well. Look at this set going to Pau. See? Isa lang blocker, hindi na nakatalon si Valdez.
And at this point, this is what they need. They really need more variation in their attacks. We're sure that the blockers of Ateneo, even the defense of Ateneo, would really look at Nene Bautista, as we saw that excellent point from Valdez. Yung maganda tignan, no? Still very young, but you can see that nag-iisip talaga, hindi lang palo ng palo.
She has a very high volleyball IQ. Unlike us here.
Ganon?
Ganon tayo.
Oo.
Ayo 14-10. Service ace there for Valdez. Nice serve. Again, another one.
Look at this girl.
And Vasquez not able to control back-to-back serves.
You see Mommy Dulce there calming down her players.
Shakey's, if it's fun family pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. Nice. Finally, Nene gets the point. Nice serve. Cassini gets blocked. Up again for Nene. She pushes it to the back. Kainlet hits it off the block. She gets it back though. She drops it. Defense is right there by Makatuno. Miclaborte bringing it to Cassini.
Oh! Sinuwerte pa with that last save.
Kainlet. Let's have another look at it.
Just reached out with one hand. Luckily, it went over.
Gumulo.
Oh.
Kainlet looking at Miknik. See? 16-11, Ateneo up.